Hello. Now we'll start a new topic. It's auto scaling. In Kubernetes, there are three type of auto scaling. So in pod and deployment, we have left so few things. So when the time comes, we'll cover that. But we'll focus on auto scaling now. So when I will type auto scaling, there are horizontal pod auto scaler mainly, and here are the two links, and these two links are very important. I will tell in detail, but for the basic things, what is auto scaling? So auto scaling, so there are three type of auto scaling: horizontal pod auto scaler, that is HPA; vertical pod auto scaler, that is VPA; and cluster auto scaler, which is called as CA. So there are three type of auto scaling. So pod will mainly focus on this because this is very important from the exam point of view also. We'll see this vertical pod autoscaler and cluster autoscaler concept well, but we'll mostly focus on these things. So what is a horizontal pod autoscaler? So basically, if the utilization of the pod increases, it increases the pod, it adds the pod, or it reduces the pod as per the requirement. It is a pod autoscaler. Here in vertical, pod autoscaler will increase the resources of the same pod. So it is the vertical pod autoscaler. Here we'll deploy a new node. Sorry, a new node, and this is a cluster autoscaler. So, uh, so we can summarize as HPA more pod, VPA bigger pod, and cluster is a more node. Okay. So tomorrow we'll see a detailed explanation of all this. Thank you so much for your love and support.